Hi, this video's for a member on the forums. I just did some repairs for him, so I'm gonna do a little quick video just to show what I fixed and all that. So start with this one here. It's kind of golden motor, I believe. So it needed the hall sensors. So obviously you can't see the inside, but I replaced all the hall sensors in it, and I tested it, and it works. That's the first one. For this motor here, it's a 209 Crystal Light. We have two of them here, and I basically despoked them, so I saved all the spokes because the member requested to keep them, and I just basically changed the rims on it. So I think they went from, if I'm not mistaken, 12-inch to 16-inch rims, and they're fully trued. So I did them on the truing machine, if that's what you call it, and did both of those there. Those are your rims and the spokes. What else did I fix? Okay, this little guy here, Crystal Light brush controller. I tested this controller with a little RC motor and it works really good. So that's that as well. Basically on this, I replaced the MOSFETs, checked the circuitry, and then I repasted and the MOSFETs and all that, and then it worked. So this one here, so it's just a power adapter I fixed as well. And here's your AT MOSFET controller. So I done a few things to this. Try to describe best I can. There's some resistors in there you have to modify when you run higher voltage, so I modified the resistors in there for you. I changed the low voltage cutoff to cut off at around 83 volts. And I'm just trying to think. And also I've added the regen. Alright, so here is this plug here, so you can look at this when you get it, is to enable regen. So basically if you have this plugged in and you short these two terminals here, which is the 5-volt break, you will have regen. If you unplug this, which I'm not going to do because it could come out, so unplug it and then you short these two, it'll just shut off the controller, it won't hit the regen. So some scooters use this feature so that you don't get people jamming the brake and the throttle at the same time, but I don't think you'll ever use it, so I'm just explaining to you that's what it would do. And yeah, so I installed the shunt, I added the resistors in there, I changed the regen and the low voltage cutoff, I enabled the regen as well, and I installed the 250 milliohm shunt, which I tested on my bike, and it's very, very accurate. So I was very surprised myself, but it measured exactly as what my cycle analyst was saying, so this is good. And I fully repasted, reassembled it, and that's pretty much that. I had to open this a few times for you because you kept asking me a different mods to do, but I finally finished it for you, so it's all good to go. And alright, so these are the fixable things. Alright, so I have some of the broken things I couldn't fix. Okay, so this one here, I tried fixing it, but the part I need to fix it I don't have. I tried looking through my scavenger hunt through my pile and I couldn't find the part to fix it. So this, out of all of them, this is the only one you could probably fix, maybe, if you can find a little part for it. But to be honest, considering the condition of the board, it's like all moisture exposed and stuff, like I don't know the chances are of fixing it. So it's a possibility, it could work. I just don't want, I tried fixing it and I blew out the MOSFETs once, so I'm just not going to screw around with it. I just replaced them for you, and we'll leave it at that in case we find that piece, and then we'll see if it works. This one here, it's missing a whole bunch of crap. I don't have any of the bars to put it on the controller, like to put the MOSFETs to the controller with the paste and stuff. Like I'm missing all the stuff, so I didn't bother with this one. It's blown too, the wires are all missing, capacitors are pulled out of it, so I would just use it as a parts controller. This one here is pretty useless. There's a board inside with everything missing on it, pretty much, no wires. So this stuff here I didn't fix because I obviously couldn't really. So those are those things. Some of the stuff I threw out already, but I'll show you what I tried to fix. Here's one of your adapters. Another one of your adapters. Look familiar? Yeah, these are pretty much messed. So I just threw them out. I think there was a, yeah, the brushless motor. Oh, here we go, the motor. Okay, well, this is a portion of it, but I threw the rest of it out after I like destroyed it opening it, but it has a nice crispy burnt smell to it, if you can see all the burnt stuff in the bottom. Yeah, but whoever had this motor must have definitely overvolted it, killed it. And yeah, so that one's pretty messed up. And I think I covered everything. I don't remember if there's anything else you sent me. I'm just trying to think here. I think that's everything. If there was anything else I missed, it didn't work. So I pretty much kept everything, even the broken stuff, just to show you what I fixed and what I didn't. So, alright, so I guess I'll talk to you in the forums, and I'll see you then. Bye.